A manual folding machine is a hand-operated sheet metal bending tool designed for precision folding and forming of metal sheets. It is widely used in workshops, fabrication units, and small-scale production environments for tasks that require clean, accurate bends without the need for powered machinery. Key features: sturdy construction, built with high-quality steel for durability and long-lasting performance. Easy operation. Lever-based manual control allows for smooth and precise bending. Adjustable bending angle. Enables a variety of bends up to 135 degrees or more, depending on the model. Clamping system. Securely holds the sheet in place to ensure accuracy and safety. Compact design. Space-saving footprint ideal for small workshops and job sites. Applications: HVAC ductwork, cabinet and panel making, roofing and cladding work, general metal fabrication. Advantages: user-friendly interface. Requires minimal training, making it ideal for beginners and professionals alike. High portability. Lightweight models are easy to move, ideal for on-site jobs or mobile workshops. Versatile material handling. Capable of bending a wide range of materials including mild steel, aluminum, copper, and galvanized sheets. Precision and repeatability. Delivers consistent bend quality for repetitive tasks, reducing material waste. Long service life. Fewer moving parts mean lower wear and tear, resulting in a longer lifespan. Contact us. Dishaa Machinery and Tools LLC. Complete factory setup, turnkey solutions. Dubai UAE.